Hello everyone and welcome to the 22nd episode from Road to $5,000 where we have R0Ad, a 16-year-old teen striving towards inevitable success, inshallah, on trading. Now, as we said, we executed XAUUSD last week and it has been going well, it has been going very well, where we noticed that the market has indeed been going upwards, and as we marked before, we marked this area of interest as our entry signal because whenever the market tapped that region, it would launch all the way up here. And we even set our stop loss below these areas because we might expect any sort of fake out from the market. You don't know what can happen. Anyways, we noticed that once the market has tapped the zone once again, it launched upwards. So alhamdulillah, now we're in a good profit. We continued upwards and now we are on this point. You notice a consolidation. Why? Because the market has indeed prior history with the consolidation. And what we also expect is inshallah the market will continue upwards, crushing the take profit as it did before. Like as you guys can see, this is a previous example. The market tapped the zone, went up, tapped that resistance level, down, tapped that support once again, and then launched all the way up. I can expect that the market might do it, but it's a very low probability that it's going to come back to that red zone right here and launch upwards, but it's very low probable because there's much higher buying pressure in the field. All in all, let's just be patient. It's a swing trade. You gotta keep it open for days, for weeks. That's what you gotta expect from it. But all in all, we gotta expect a TP soon, inshallah. Now, next currency pair. Alright, so now we have EURUSD, which is also the second currency pair I executed, where we have a very similar format as gold, where we tapped a region and went upwards, and we tapped it once again and expecting to go upwards once again. Now, we can notice the market is in a retest right now. It's in a pullback, as we can notice some bearish pressure, some selling pressure in the field. We can expect the market, so based on what I expect the market to come and retest that zone right here, or that zone right here, as it has done before, and then it's going to continue upwards all the way up to that point. Okay, and even I have thought of something recently that I decided to change the TP till here. Why? Because this area of interest is indeed it's high in selling pressure, as you can see before, because the market tapped that zone and went downwards like very fast, right? Which is what made me change the TP from 1.8300 to 1.17681. Now the third and final currency pair is GBP/USD. It is going well. It is going great. As we expect, it is actually going through a support zone, so we expect even higher buying pressure. Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful for that. Same exact format for all other trades, because as you all notice, USD is a quote pair for all three of them. So you're gonna see some sort of similarity between all three. But all in all, they all create some sort of pathway where they tap a zone and then continue all the way up to that zone, to that area of interest. Now, I'm thinking that because you see how the market at that point, it could do a full-on rejection. So I'm expecting to also lower the take profit from that point till that point. Might not be very accurate, but I believe that if we do that, we're going to maximize our profits and minimize any sort of risk. Due to the fact that once the market tapped that zone before, it went down a lot and eventually tapped our stop loss. And I don't want to risk that, okay? So yeah, these were the three currency pairs. Just a quick advice to all of you, please make sure to have a strong strategy. Please make sure to have confirmations, at least 3 before executing it, any trade whatsoever. Even if you think you might be right, your thoughts don't matter. What matters is our facts. We want technicals, we want fundamentals. So what matters is get us the 3 confirmations. For my case, I have 3, which are the candlestick confirmation, the moving average, and the area of interest, all of which actually coincide. So if I get one, I get all 3 immediately. So focus, get your confirmation set, get your strategy set, and become profitable. Wish you all the best of luck and see you all at the top. Bye bye.